Da'an Park Station on the Xingyi line of Taipei's rapid transit system lies in the scenic Da'an Forest Park and is embraced by nature. Through ingenious architectural design, the usually monotonous closed underground station is filled with the brightness and vitality of sunlight and greenery. Gazing from the scenic platform on Xingyi Road, the entrance's arched Tower of Light, the originally level park, and the excavated U-shaped garden form three distinct layers. This transformation of layers take commuters from the bustling streets into the calm and relaxing atmosphere of the station, where they can rest, chat, and adjust their mood before their next journey. This is an underground station filled with sunlight and greenery. It is a scene that is the forest hub, dialogue between the urban park and MRT station. Da'an Park Station is not merely a station, as it is integrated with the landscape planning of the area. The greenery of the sunken garden and the station's public art installations further make it a brilliant wonderland in urban Taipei.
台北市中心的最大的公园就是大安森林公园，所以我们希望在设计这个车站的时候，能把车站和公园融合一体，作为一个森林转运的功能。我们把公园打开，那这些游客这些旅客融合在一起，那他们很自然的、很方便的可以去利用这个公园。那在这个同时，他们在一天繁忙的这种工作之下，穿过公园那种心境被洗涤的心境他真正可以回家，带到台北市每个角落，让整个台北市成为一个更自然优雅的都市。
Da'an Park Station has the advantage of being located in a forest park. With architectural innovation, it links indoor and outdoor spaces to create a breathing station where photosynthesis can occur even 18 meters underground. The station is aligned from east to west, and the U-shaped sunken garden is utilized to introduce natural light into the two underground floors. Solar panels are installed to collect energy for storage in the energy exhibit room, equipped with hydrogen fuel cells that provide a portion of the energy used in lighting and ventilation during the night. The shutter design at the top and the side-opening fish scale of the light tower and corridor introduce natural ventilation to circulate indoor airflow. The garden's circular pond and waterfall are not merely for decoration. They also function to maintain humidity. The water vapor produced combined with the greenery of the garden function to adjust temperature and cool the area. The electric curtains adjust lighting and prevent excess sunlight along with glare to reduce the burden on ventilation systems. The water-permeable design and layered greenery, along with the rainwater collection system, effectively utilize water resources. The lightweight materials used create a sense of penetration and construct a nimble station that exudes no pressure. The station's garden and public art installations compose a relaxing and cultured indoor space to allow commuters to feel unfettered and relaxed. Low E-glass used in the light tower and corridor not only block radiation and heat, but also introduce natural light to make for a well-lit and relaxing atmosphere. The use of architectural arcs, such as the circular fountain, corridor, and the arced Tower of Light, along with the glass curtains of the Sunshine Lobby, make passengers entering the station feel relaxed and lighthearted.
整体计划所带来的效益包括3部分，第一部分是交通运输，第二部分是经济效益，第三部分是其他。那这个交通运输部分大概分成6大项。第一项，我们可以节省我们乘客的旅运时间；第二个，当然我们可以增加我们捷运的转乘功能；第三个，我们分担我们大众运输，就是公车的运量；第四个，我们可以节省我们公车的运输成本；第五个，我们降低整个交通事故的成本；第六个，我们降低私人运具的使用，还有节省能源。那经济效益部分呢？当然，我们的商业活动的增加了，可以增加就业机会，提高我们国民所得。那其他效益呢？包括所谓的地标意象的建设，还有美化市容景观跟市民的休闲活动。
Dawn Park Station uses geographical characteristics and ingenious design to combine itself with the park's characteristics to transform a dark underground station into a scenic point. The introduction of natural light and greenery, the station's nearby scenic platform, the U-shaped garden, and the indoor public art exude culture and surprises at every turn. It is a wonderland, and it is a brilliant landmark of Taipei City.